It's day 7 of restoring this 1961 Lambretta in 25 days. Let's see what we got done this week. I started the week by pulling the engine and getting it up on the workbench. Then I spent about a day and a half on the engine teardown and was able to take it from this to this. And then I moved on to the cleaning stage, and this really took a while. I spent a bunch of time cleaning these engine cases, but also on all the smaller parts like all the hardware. Another thing I did this week was get the connecting rod replaced. And by the end of week 1, the engine's pretty much ready to go back together. We've made some pretty good progress. Make sure to keep following along next week.